Hi, I'm Ralph. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making aged chicken wings. And to go along with those, I'm going to have a side order of homemade French fries. We're going to be using a special garlic seasoning direct from the Golden Steer restaurant out in Vegas, a steakhouse out there, very famous. I've got some of that seasoning. We're going to be putting that, well, I've already put it on the chicken wings. I did that actually a couple of days ago. I want you to get the chicken wings, put them out on a pan, and have them aging in the refrigerator for about 48 to 72 hours. It's going to allow some of that moisture to come out of the skin, but the moisture in the meat is going to be trapped inside. It's going to like seal that moisture in there, and this is going to make the skin extra crispy. Now, as you can see, I've already added that Dijon seasoning to the chicken wings already. Now, I've already cut up a potato into French fries, put that into water. We're going to rinse these, and then we're going to be boiling them. You'll notice that when you do that, the water is going to be a little bit cloudy. So we're going to do that until the water basically runs kind of clear. Now, in the background, you just heard a buzzer go off. I've got the convection oven set for 400 degrees. That's going to be for the oven-baked fries. And we're going to be doing the chicken wings in the hot air fryer. First, we need to boil them up. So meet me over at the cooktop. I already got the water boiling. I've got salt inside. I'm adding just a dollop of vinegar. We're doing that to keep the potatoes from becoming limp when they're done. Now, you're going to want to do this for 8 minutes. So I've got my timer set. And we'll be back to this in 8 minutes. Okay, I've just taken the potatoes, the French fries, dumped them into a colander so that they could drain. We're now ready to put them into a bowl where we're going to be adding oil. This is that texture I was talking to you about, why we added the vinegar to the water, so that when you do that, it does not break. Now, normally I like to use peanut oil. Some people are allergic to peanut oil, so I'm going to be using avocado oil in this case, getting those good and mixed up, spreading them out onto a baking sheet. Gotta get them separated out as much as possible to make it easier for the convection oven to get the heat all around them. And I'm going to be putting that into the oven, which I have set at the convection setting, 400 degrees. We're going to be putting those in for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to be flipping them over in another 15 minutes. This already has a chicken wing setting, 400 degrees, 25 minutes. And it is going to, this particular model, automatically start to preheat. As soon as that's done, we're going to arrange the chicken wings in there. And hopefully we're going to have a meal kind of geared toward ending at about the same time here. Okay, it's time to add the food. Try my best at spreading these out as evenly as possible with room in between them. About halfway through, we're going to be coming back and flipping them. So we'll be back shortly. Okay, the halfway point with the chicken wings, pulling them out. Gonna be flipping them over, but first, let's take a look. So far, so good. Put them back in. See you in about another 12 and a half minutes. Okay, I've just pulled the fries out of the oven, and as I was doing that, the hot air fryer said they're done. First step, while letting them drain, gonna go ahead and sprinkle them with a little salt, and then we're gonna be using some of that Dijon seasoning, just like we used on the chicken. It's got a little onion powder, a little garlic in there. It's just gonna add a little zest to the fries. Let's see how the wings came out. Everything's coming out terrific. It really is. Take a closer look at the fries and the wings. I'm going to go ahead and try one of these fries. That's very nice. Gunner wants one too, but I don't think so. It's got a little crisp on the outside, still very mushy on the inside, just the way you want a good fry. Very good. If you can't tell, I'm trying to give the wings just a moment to cool down because I don't want to burn the dookies out of my mouth. But I'm just enjoying this fry. It's really that good. You can make French fries at home better than the fries you can get out. Okay, I just want to mention these wings, totally carnivore for those of you out there doing carnivore. And if you just want to fill up on a lot of chicken, just double up the recipe. If you're not doing carnivore, add the fries. These are excellent fries. Let's see how the chicken is turning out. That is delicious, y'all. That meat is very moist. I'm picking up on that garlic and that skin. Very crispy. Very crispy. Very nice. I'm going to be devouring these, I promise you. So with that said, if you're liking the video, give me a like down below. If you want to see more content on my other channel, Ralph Knows Carnivore, check that out. Give me a subscription here, and please leave me a comment because I love my viewers and I love the comments that are coming in. So with that said, I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.